Unit 14, the review, Part 1, page 2. Write the equation for each graph. I'm going to make some notes to the side. First, I'm going to put a dot at the vertex, and then I'm going to check for widening of the quadratic or narrow. So over 1, up 1, it hit. Over 1, up 3, it hit. So it did not widen. It just translated instead of transform or dilated. So I'm going to go from here to here, which is left 3, down 1. I'm now going to have to put that in the quadratic. Y equals, it is a smile, opening upwards, and that is x plus 3 to go left and minus 1 to go down. This one I'm going to check. Here's the vertex. Over 1, up 1. Over 1, up 3. I'm assuming it didn't widen or narrow. I shifted right 1. So y equals, in the parentheses, x minus 1 for right squared. Over 1, up 1. Over 1, up 3. It did not widen or narrow. It shifted down 1, 2, 3. So it's y equals x squared minus 3. Just like on absolute value functions, it travels the same way. A lot of functions travel that way. So here we go. Check the widen and narrowing. Over 1, up 1. Over 1, up 3. It didn't widen or narrow. There's the vertex. It went 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. And it went 1 down. Therefore, it's y equals x minus 4 squared minus 1. I'm going to check widening and narrowing. Over 1, up 1. Over 1, up 3. It doesn't narrow. It doesn't widen. It looks like the parent function, so it's y equals x squared. For the line, y equals 3x minus 2. Write the equations for the following shifts. So this is 3x minus 2 minus 4, which is y equals, I need an equation, y equals 3x minus 6. This is 3x plus 1 minus 2, which is combining like terms, y equals 3x minus 1. This is shift right, right's a parenthesis, 3 times x minus 5 minus 2, because I didn't go up or down. Y equals, to make it an equation, y equals 7 left, 3 times x plus 7 minus 2, because it doesn't go up or down. And that is writing equations from the graph and transformations of linear functions.